Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to the top trade alerts and strategies on Barchart.com. Looking for smarter trade ideas and better timing? Barchart Premier offers expert tools to be your guide across the market, from trading signals to custom strategies, to help you spot opportunities earlier, track momentum, and set up trade alerts to get notified on the next big move for your favorite stocks. In this video, we'll walk you through how to find rising stocks using Barchart's top list, where to discover new trade ideas using signal upgrades and recommendations, plus how to unlock exclusive trade alerts and strategies with a Premier membership. And before we get started, smash that like button and let's dive in. As always, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's start our search under the Stocks tab by clicking on the Top 100 Stocks list. This powerful list ranks the strongest stocks by weighted alpha, a metric that shows a stock's price change over the last 12 months, but gives more weight to recent gains. That means stocks rising fast in the past few weeks get prioritized, and that's exactly the type of momentum we're looking for. Now here's where it gets interesting. Pay close attention to two things. Stocks rising in rank, that tells you momentum is accelerating in the current trend. And another key indicator is any stock listed as NA under the previous rank column. That means it's a new entry to the list. These can be early movers just catching fire. So let's say a stock jumps from not listed into the top 50. That's a strong sign that traders are starting to get active. You can also click the bottom tab for bearish setups and click this checkbox to receive this list daily by email. Next, we can customize our search and click screen in the top right corner of the list to narrow it down. Let's apply filters to match our strategy. Here's some examples. Market cap, you can set this to large and mega cap to focus on more stable and widely followed stocks. Volume, maybe set this at minimum 1 million shares to ensure liquidity. Price, filter for stocks over $10 to avoid microcaps. Market sector, maybe you only want to focus on trading tech or healthcare. Beta, filter for beta above 1 to find stocks that move more than the overall market. And for a technical edge, explore more filters like Relative Strength Index, RSI. An RSI under 70 will help you avoid overbought setups. Once you add any values you prefer and your filters for your search are set, click See Results, and you'll get a refined list that aligns with your trading and investing plan. Now, you can sort the list by the column of volume or reorder the list based on your favorite metric, like market cap, RSI, or any filters selected by your screener. Then, open Flipcharts to scroll through chart setups visually. Here's where you can really analyze the price action and even load a custom chart template or select one of Barchart's templates to highlight your key indicators like moving averages, MACD, or add buy and sell signals exclusive for Premier members. Once your chart is set up, use the arrows on the side or the ribbon at the top to scan the list and find the chart that fits your strategy. Want to get trade alerts for this custom screener? Click Save Screener to keep this exact setup for the future. And turn on email alerts so you'll be notified the moment a new list of stocks match your search criteria. Perfect for when you want to catch momentum early. And if you like this list of stocks, click Save as Watch List to track these trades going forward. You can create a new watch list or append to an existing one or replace an old one and monitor how these setups play out over time. Now that you've dialed in how to use the screener to create trade alerts and watch lists, let's take it a step further. Go back to the Stocks tab and head over to the Top Stocks to Own page, another powerful list built on Barchart's proprietary technical opinion scores. This list ranks stocks using a blend of trend strength, signal consistency, and momentum indicators, giving you a curated view of high conviction setups across the market. At a glance, You'll see each stock's current price, percent change, and the Barchart Opinion, which also includes the signal history from 1 week and 1 month ago. This helps you spot which trades are gaining momentum and which ones might be cooling off. Looking for bearish setups instead? Click on the bottom Stocks to Own tab. These are stocks currently flashing strong sell signals, ideal for short bias traders or those watching for breakdowns. And here's a tip. Want to receive this list automatically at the end of each trading day? Just click this checkbox to get alerts sent straight to your inbox daily. It's a simple way to stay on top of trade ideas without manually checking the page daily. Want to go deeper? Use the Custom View dropdown to sort or filter based on technical or fundamental metrics like EPS, PE ratio, weighted alpha, or RSI. So you're only seeing stocks that match your criteria or trading style. At the top of each list, click Screen to build a screener using your preferred filters and set up custom trade alerts, or tap Flipcharts to analyze each chart on the list with custom chart templates and exclusive indicators. Once you've reviewed those lists, head back to the Stocks tab and open up the Top Signal Upgrades page. This is where things get really interesting. These are stocks that just received a bullish signal upgrade, whether it's from hold to buy or weak buy to strong buy, based on Barchart's proprietary opinion indicators. This page is great for finding fresh technical breakouts, especially if you're looking for momentum trades just starting to heat up. You can also change the view to sort the data based on your strategy. Watch for increased volume and big names making upgrades, or small caps making their first bullish move. Either way, these are names that traders are watching. We can also click on the flip charts to find the perfect setup. We can add exclusive Premier indicators like the moving average crossover signals. We can scan the list to spot bullish trends starting to form. If you want to filter this list to narrow down these results, remember to click Screen to create custom screeners and get daily trade alerts. Now, let's move over to another powerful feature under the Stocks tab, the new recommendations page. At the top, you can easily change the view from intraday to daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on your trading time frame. That flexibility means you can use the same tools whether you're day trading, swing trading, or investing. And this section is packed with trade ideas based on fresh technical signals from Barchart indicators. Each list is organized by the type of signal, from trend seeker alerts to moving average crossovers. These are categorized in new buys, new holds, and new sells. So whether you're bullish or bearish, there's always something to explore here. Let's click into the 50, 100-day moving average crossover, new buys list. Want to receive this list every day? Just check the email box at the top, and Barchart will deliver end-of-the-day results directly to your inbox. No need to hunt down signals manually. These are stocks that have just triggered a crossover, where the short-term moving average has pushed above the long-term trend. That's often a classic signal of upward momentum forming. Need a visual breakdown? Just click the chart icon next to any stock to instantly open up Barchart's interactive charts. Here, we can automatically apply our custom chart templates with moving average crossover signals to scan for the perfect entry. Now, let's go back to the list to show you how you can flip between buy, hold, or sell signals using the tabs at the top. This makes it incredibly easy to track bullish and bearish setups all in one place. Once you've found a stock or setup that stands out, this is where Barchart Premier really shines. Let's head to the search bar and type in your favorite stock and pull up the individual stock page. From here, click on Top Trade Alerts. This section highlights real-time signals generated by technical strategies, including trend seeker and moving average crossovers with clear buy or sell labels. Use the drop-down menu to toggle between strategies and time frames. Let's click into one of the latest alerts to break it down. You'll see the interactive chart immediately highlights the buy or sell signal, including key indicators like the moving average crossover that triggered the alert. Click View Trade History to dive deeper. This view shows the entry and exit points of previous trades based on the same strategy, plus hypothetical profit and drawdown stats to understand how the signal would have performed historically. Now let's go to the trading strategy section in the menu. This page gives you a full breakdown of how each strategy has performed on this specific stock. Let's select the 50, 100-day moving average strategy. You'll see a performance summary with hypothetical gains, win rates, and numbers of trades, perfect for backtesting and confidence building. Now, click the chart icon again to view those signals directly on the price chart, showing every entry and exit over time. Want to study bearish setups? You can switch between the buy and sell tabs to analyze those signals too. Then, head back to the full list to see all the strategies applied to this stock, making it easy to compare and choose which alerts aligns best with your style. With Barchart Premier, you're not just reacting to market moves, you're getting ahead of them with data-backed alerts, tested strategies, and market insights. This is perfect for if you want to stay ahead of breakouts and momentum shifts, even if you're not watching the screen all day. Now, you know how to use the top stocks list to find momentum movers, tap into signal upgrades and new recommendations to catch trend shifts early, analyze the charts with trading signals from exclusive indicators, and unlock custom trade alerts and technical strategies. If you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with a system, Barchart Premier gives you all the tools to do just that. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and investing tools on Barchart.com.